Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the question answers of chapter 12, that is reproduction in plants. So let's start the discussion of question answers. Question number 1, that is fill in the blanks. Now question number A. Production of new individuals from the vegetative part of parent is called vegetative reproduction. Production of new individuals from the vegetative part of parent is called vegetative reproduction. Now question number B. A flower may have either male or female reproductive parts. Such flower is called unisexual flower. Next question, number C. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same or of another flower of the same kind is known as pollination. Next question. The fusion of male and female gametes is termed as fertilization. The fusion of male and female gametes is termed as fertilization. Next question, number E. Seed dispersal take place by means of wind, water and animals. Next question number 2. Describe the different methods of asexual reproduction. Give examples. Give example. So, various methods of asexual reproduction are: number 1, vegetative propagation or reproduction. So, new plants are developed from root, stem or leaf of plant. In vegetative reproduction, new plants will be developed from the root, stem and leaf of the plant, that is vegetative part of the plant. Next question, budding. So here in budding, small bulb-like projections coming out from yeast cell is called bud. Gradually grows and gets detached from the parent body to form new organisms like hydra and yeast. So in budding, a new bud will occur from the body of the parent plant, and this bud gradually grow and separated from the parent plant and gives the growth of a new individual. Now comes the C, or number 3 type of method of asexual reproduction, that is fragmentation. So in favorable conditions, plant's body break into 2 or more fragments which grow into independent plant. So in this process, in the fragmentation, the plant body will break into fragments in favorable condition, and each fragment will give rise to a new plant or a new organism. Next question. Next method of asexual reproduction is spore formation. That is, the fungi on bread pieces grow from spores which are present in air. Spores germinate when come in contact of moisture. So I told you already that spores are very small, or you can say microscopic structures, which is present in the atmosphere, and in favorable condition it will grow into a new plant. Now comes the next question, number 3. Explain what do you understand by sexual reproduction. So the mode of reproduction in which male and female gametes fuse together to form a zygote. Zygote divides further to form a new organism. Male and female gametes may be of same kind or different kind. Sexual reproduction is common in multicellular organism and unicellular organism in conditions. So here in asexual reproduction is what? 2 type of parents, male and female. They produce their sex cells or gametes. They fuse together and then they form a new cell, that is called zygote. And zygote again divides and grow into new individual. And this method is common in where? In the multicellular animals and in unicellular animals also, in conditions. Not always. There are conditions when sexual reproduction will take place in unicellular organism. Now comes the number 4. State the main difference between sexual and asexual reproduction. So here comes the difference. sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. So in sexual reproduction, number 1, new plants are obtained from seeds. In asexual reproduction, plants can give rise to new plants without cells. Number 2, two parents are required to produce an individual. In asexual reproduction, in sexual reproduction, number 2 is two parents are required to produce a new individual. In asexual reproduction, only one parent is enough to produce a new individual. Next comes the question number 3. Specialized sex cells are needed. In sexual reproduction, specialized sex cells are needed. In asexual reproduction, no specialized sex cells are there. Next comes the number 4. New individuals have the characters of both parents. The individual which is produced have the characters of both parents. Like we have the characters of both my mother and my father. So you also have the characters of both your father and your mother. In asexual reproduction, characters of the new individual are same as that of parent. Means from the parent from which it is created, it has the only that parent character. So I hope you are able to understand this discussion of question answers. If any problem, ask me class. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.